Kia has created a list of recommended service intervals to help keep your vehicle in peak condition. Here's how to access the service interval settings. From the infotainment system home screen, press Setup, Vehicle, and Convenience. In Service Interval, select Enable Service Interval to display an alert when a specified service interval is reached. There are two ways to define the service interval. Selecting Distance provides a service inspection notification after driving a set distance. Selecting Duration provides a service inspection notification after a set amount of time has passed. Press Reset to reset all of the service interval reminder settings. Go to Maintenance on the home screen to view when your Kia is ready for its next service. Here, you can view the driving distance and the number of days until your next maintenance service. Press Schedule Service to schedule a service appointment with a Kia dealer. For more information, scan the QR code with your smartphone. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel or your Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching.